When it comes to tackling precise cuts, sanding, and scraping, the best oscillating multi-tool delivers unmatched versatility and efficiency. Today, we're going over the best oscillating multi-tool from our top picks. Powerful, it adapts effortlessly to woodworking, home repairs, and DIY projects, making every task faster and cleaner. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. DeWalt 20-Volt Oscillating Multi Tool. The DeWalt 20-Volt Oscillating Multi Tool is a premium cordless option designed for professionals and serious DIY users who value power, control, and long-term reliability. One of its standout features is the 3-speed selector, which allows you to tailor performance precisely to the task at hand, whether you're making delicate plunge cuts or powering through tougher materials. The brushless motor is a major advantage, delivering up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed alternatives, meaning fewer interruptions and better efficiency on longer projects. The dual-grip variable speed trigger gives excellent control, letting you ease into cuts smoothly and maintain accuracy. With oscillation speeds reaching up to 20,000 OPM, this tool handles cutting, sanding, scraping, and trimming with ease. The quick change accessory system is another strong point, allowing blade changes without wrenches, which saves valuable time on busy job sites. Compatibility is also impressive, thanks to the universal accessory adapter that works with most major brands. The built-in LED light is a small but highly practical addition, illuminating dark or tight workspaces for more accurate results. Number 2. Craftsman CMEW 401 Oscillating Multi Tool. The Craftsman CMEW 401 Oscillating Multi Tool is a straightforward, corded solution aimed at homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who want reliable performance at an accessible price point. Powered by a 3-amp motor, it delivers consistent strength for a wide range of applications, including cutting, sanding, scraping, and light remodeling work. While it may not match the raw power of higher-end professional tools, it offers more than enough capability for common household projects. The variable speed dial is a useful feature, allowing users to adjust output depending on material type and task, which helps improve control and finish quality. Blade changes are quick and simple thanks to the tool-free universal attachment system, eliminating the hassle of extra tools. Another practical benefit is its VersaTrack compatibility, enabling convenient wall storage when paired with compatible hooks or accessories. The corded design ensures uninterrupted power, making it ideal for longer tasks where battery changes would slow progress. Ergonomically, the tool is comfortable to hold, with a balanced design that minimizes strain during extended use. Number 3. Kimo 20-Volt Oscillating Multi Tool. The Kimo 20-Volt Oscillating Multi Tool stands out as a feature-rich cordless option designed with precision, safety, and user comfort in mind. Its cordless convenience is a major advantage, allowing you to work freely without worrying about nearby outlets, which is especially helpful for tasks like door frame trimming or roof repairs. The engineered 3-degree oscillation angle strikes a smart balance between power and control, reducing cutting deviation while improving efficiency and minimizing user fatigue. With 6 speed settings and a maximum output of 21,000 OPM, this tool adapts easily to different materials, from hardwood and metal to sanding applications, ensuring consistent results. The quick change attachment system is both safe and efficient, featuring a locking bracket that enhances user safety during blade changes. One of its most distinctive features is the 2-position auxiliary handle, which significantly improves stability and control for more demanding or precision-focused tasks. Ergonomics are further enhanced by the soft rubberized grip and vibration control design, making extended use more comfortable. Number 4. Avid Auxiliary Oscillating Multi Tool. The Avid Auxiliary Oscillating Multi Tool is designed for users who prioritize cutting efficiency and versatility in a compact, affordable package. Its defining feature is the wide 4.5-degree oscillation angle, which significantly boosts cutting speed compared to standard oscillating tools. This makes it particularly effective for wood cutting and metal pipework, saving time on demanding tasks. The quick change accessory system allows blades and attachments to be swapped without tools, streamlining workflow and improving convenience. With 6 variable speed settings, users can easily match the tool's output to the material and application, whether sanding, scraping, cutting, or polishing.
The auxiliary handle enhances stability and control, making the tool easier to manage during more aggressive cuts or extended sessions. Universal accessory compatibility ensures flexibility, allowing the use of blades from most major brands. The inclusion of 13 accessories is a big value add, providing everything you need to tackle a wide range of household projects straight out of the box. Ergonomically, the tool is designed to reduce strain and improve handling, even during prolonged use.
Number 5. Workpro Angle Oscillating Multi Tool. The Workpro Angle Oscillating Multi Tool is a powerful corded option built for versatility and ease of use across a wide range of renovation and repair tasks. Its 3.0 amp motor provides reliable power for cutting, sanding, polishing, and dressing materials such as wood, nails, screws, and medium to low hardness metal pipes. The 3-degree oscillation angle enhances efficiency while maintaining grid control, making it suitable for both precision and heavier applications. One of its key strengths is the 7-speed adjustment system, offering speeds from 15,000 to 23,000 RPM, which allows users to fine-tune performance for optimal results on different materials. The toolless accessory chain system is simple and intuitive, enabling quick blade swaps without a spanner, saving time and effort. Universal accessory compatibility further increases its flexibility, ensuring access to a wide range of attachments. That wraps up the top 5 best oscillating multi-tool. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.